At first, fry the finely sliced onion until it is slightly brown in color. Marinate the chicken pieces with 2 to 3 spoons of yogurt, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, green coriander leaves, mint leaves, lemon juice, and fried onion. Set it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash and soak 2 cups of basmati rice for 15 to 20 minutes. Then add a few bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, a pinch of salt and cook it until it is 60 to 70% cooked. In a pressure cooker, put about 2 spoonfuls of ghee. Add all the marinated chicken in the pressure cooker and cook at low to medium heat. After about 5 minutes, add 1 spoonful of biryani masala to the chicken and cook further. Let it simmer at low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the water from the boiled rice with a strainer. When the chicken is about 90% cooked, add the boiled rice over the chicken in layers. Over the first layer, add the fried onion and if available add coriander leaves, mint leaves and saffron as well. I did not have the saffron so did not add. Over it add another layer of rice and cook until 1 whistle. The delicious chicken biryani is ready to be served. Enjoy your chicken biryani.